Hey, listen, are you an introvert trying to earn money online, but every single suggestion requires you to be on camera or recording a video of yourself? And I mean, that's not something you want to do, right? No camera, no social battery drain, and no more calling or pitch calling of people. Now, listen to me. You don't need to be loud to make money in 2026 because there are several ways you can make money as an introvert in 2026, which does not even require you to be on camera or recording a video like this. Let's think of it. A lot of best-selling authors on Amazon are not even on camera. They have never shot any content by themselves or tried to promote their business by recording content, and they are making good amount of money doing this. So why not you? And you don't even need to change your personality just to earn money online, because there are several and good ways to earn money online without you even showing your face on camera. So that said, let's deep dive to the ways you can actually start earning money without you showing your face on camera.
Now, before we dive into the video, hit the subscribe button and like this video.
Now, the first type of online businesses that you can start as an introvert and earn good amount of money is actually selling digital product. Now, before you start saying, yes, I've heard this 1,000 times, sell the digital product, make it on Canva, or use ChatGPT to make digital product and start selling, let me actually take you to the best way you can actually sell this digital product and what type of digital product you can actually start selling to earn good amount of money, not like the normal PDF that they told you to create or normal productive PDF, which will not actually get you to the income that you want to earn through selling digital product. Because yeah, it's true. Everybody can actually create any type of digital product, but not everybody knows how to market digital product. I mean, you can actually and literally use Cloud AI or Gemini or any ChatGPT to create any digital product, but not everyone knows how to market this digital product. So if you actually know how to market this digital product the proper way, then you will be so much ahead of 90% who are actually doing this, and you're going to earn more money than them. Then you'll be so much ahead of 90% who are currently selling digital product, and you are going to earn more money than them. So the number one step to selling digital product is that you actually need to do a niche selection. So what is a niche selection? Niche selection simply means that you knowing the category of type of digital product that you want to start creating to sell, and this category of digital product that you want to start creating for sale has to be some kind of digital product that will solve a big problem to some people, so that they are willing to trade their money to buy your digital product. Because if your digital product does not solve any problem, then they're not going to buy it, and if they don't buy, then you're not going to make any money from it. So you actually need to do a niche selection. Choose the category of digital product that you want to start creating for sale, and make sure that this category of digital product is actually what people are looking for. And if you're just going to make any simple PDF that does not even solve a big problem, then everybody can just use AI themselves to make it. So you have to do a good niche selection. Plus, sell to the market of people who are currently looking for your digital product. Don't just guess or create any digital product you feel like creating. You are creating the digital product for markets, not for yourself. You can actually start selling your digital product for as low as $20 or $27, depending on the type of digital product that you're selling. If you're selling more of the business type of digital product, then they cost more and they sell actually more faster than selling any type of productive PDF, because those type of digital products are everywhere now. So the competition is high, and if competition is high, then you're going to get a lot of people selling their digital product for as low as $5, which you do not want to trade your time to just create something to just sell for $5. So you don't want to do that. Now, the type of digital product that sell the most and will be worth your time if you are to sell them in 2026 are the business productive templates, especially if you are to focus on the real estate digital products. Now, yes, you can actually and literally use AI to create your digital product, but just make sure to put some human touch to it, because you don't want to sound like you're selling them a piece of ChatGPT that they can go and create themselves. Do some good marketing research, get the pain point. Don't just create or guess what you're just creating. You need to make a good market research before you even start creating a digital product. A lot of people will just go direct to Cloud AI or ChatGPT to just create any random type of digital product, which will not actually get them the potential income they are trying to reach selling that digital product. You literally need to make a good market research before you even start creating your digital product. Don't just guess the process, make a good marketing research, because at the end of the day, if you create a digital product that you just feel like you're interested in and you do not make any market research about it, then you might end up not getting any sales. I'm going to make everything clear to you. The digital product you're creating is actually 40% of everything. while the marketing and where to sell it is actually the 60%. So if I were you trying to sell digital product and earn good amount of money, I will not waste my time trying to, go to all these selling platforms. There are millions of digital products which will actually bury yours there, because if you post your digital product as a beginner in all the selling platforms, there are millions of people selling digital product who has been there for decades, and they even understand the app more than you, so they are going to get more sales while you're still stuck trying to get your first customer. So if I were you, I'm going to use the 2026 method of selling digital product to get my digital product sold. And if you're curious about how you can actually sell your digital product the right way and the new way, not the old way, please. So I link a 10-minute video in the comment section that's going to take you a step-by-step guide that you need to sell your digital product in 2026 and start earning good amount of money as a beginner. So make sure to check the video right now after you see this one if selling digital product is what you're actually interested in, because I actually broke it down. I give you the exact blueprint you can actually use to sell your digital product in 2026. All you have to do is create the digital product, and I also list the best type of digital product that you can actually create and start selling today without you worrying about where or how you're going to sell digital product. All you have to do is just tap on the link right next after this video and watch the exact way you can actually start selling this digital product today. Is starting a faceless YouTube channel. The word faceless YouTube channel have already explained itself. It simply means you do not need to show your face at all. All you have to do is just use some couple of AI tools, which some are free and some are paid. Yeah, some people do not tell you that these AI tools that you're actually going to use to make your faceless AI videos are paid, and that's why you need to be on budget. Yeah, so when I mean they are paid, I mean, yeah, you need to pay some couple of AI tools to allow you to make these videos consistently, because making AI video for YouTube channel is kind of a lot of work and it needs consistency. So you do not want to start creating few videos just in a week and abandon the YouTube channel. No, you're now going to grow that way. Plus, you can actually make short form video content on your YouTube channel, because there are a lot of channels earning a lot of good money. Nowadays, even teenagers of 13 years old are using faceless AI YouTube channels to make good amount of money for themselves. So yeah, that means starting a faceless AI YouTube channel is actually worth your time. But the biggest thing that you need to put in consideration if you are to start this faceless AI YouTube channel is that you need to be consistent. Full example of channels like this and this and this are currently earning anywhere around $1,000 to $2,000 every month on YouTube, just by using their couple of cheap AIs to make videos on YouTube. As a new channel that just got monetized just by using a couple of cheap AIs to make videos on YouTube, which will not even take them 5 hours of their time. So yeah, if there are a couple of teenagers doing it, that means you can definitely do it as well. So you don't need to think too hard about it. You just need to learn how to use this AI. It all comes down to your ability of knowing how to use AI, because if you know how to use it, then you can actually use it to make good amount of money for yourself. Here's a quick tip though. Never try to copy another YouTube channel on your niche just because their videos are doing well. Your audience and their audience are not the same thing, but you can actually copy their video style, not their script, not their exact same videos. Okay, do not copy everything exactly the same thing. If not, YouTube is going to ban your channel. Okay, so do not try that. Don't put your channel at risk. Do not copy, but try to reinvent the wheel to your own style of your content. So that takes us to the number 3 type of business that you can actually run without you showing your face on camera at all. So the number 3 type of business is actually selling print on demand products. Yeah, a lot of people can actually create print on demand products, but not everyone knows the right and the best way to actually market their print on demand product, which is where you're going to get ahead of so many of this 90% who are already doing this. So yeah, think about it. You can actually use AI right now in less than a second, and you're going to create a good design for a t-shirt or for mugs or for anything else. But where to sell it and how to even sell it is what's the problem right now. I mean, if you do not know how to sell print on demand product, then you're not going to make any money from it. Now, here's the thing about creating print on demand products. It is getting way too easy to create designs now with the use of AI. All it's going to take you is just couple of minutes to create your designs. So that means a lot of people are into this business right now. But what will actually set you apart is the marketing. I always say this, your product is 40% while the marketing is the 60%. Now, creating print on demand product just take a few hours with the use of AI. So that means if you are to get into the business, you're going to face a lot and a lot of competition because there are a lot of people doing it right now. Why? Because it has become very, very easier to just create designs with AI right now. So since the marketing part is actually what covers the 60% of everything you're going to do if you were to do this business, and your product represent the 40%. Now, usually after creating the product and everything, all you have to do is just go straight forward to Etsy or any selling platforms and list your product for sales. But that is just the traditional way of selling print on demand products and not actually the new ways to sell your print on demand products. Now, the best way you can actually start selling your print on demand product is actually you finding your own customers immediately after you're through, and not just listing your product on selling platforms like Etsy and just dumping them there and hoping or start wishing that sales will just come in by themselves. No, it does not work anymore because there are millions of people doing the same thing like you, so the competition is high. So the best way to actually start selling your print on demand product is you finding your own customers immediately after you're through creating your print on demand products. Why? Because if you just want to list it on selling platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, there are already millions of people doing that. So if there are millions of people doing that, that means the competition will be high. So how can you actually start finding customers who will be interested in buying your print on demand products? Well, as a beginner, I'll highly advise you to start with local businesses around you who might be in need of your print on demand products, or simply render your service of print on demand designs online for sales. And you head over to those selling platforms like Etsy or Gumroad and then list them as the second method of selling your print on demand product, rather than just doing the traditional way of just creating and listing it on Etsy. Now you're actually doing two ways of marketing and selling your print on demand products, which will set you so much ahead of 90% who are into the game.
Now, if you find this video useful, hit the subscribe button and like this video for more videos like this. Thanks.